You gotta love summer, y'all. This corn came from Davis Produce, right?
Actually, no.
This
That
didn't.
did not.
I'm telling you what, that corn that we got the other day from Davis.
Farmer's market.
All right. I'm going to make y'all, since it's summer, a corn and asparagus salad with a nice little like vinaigrette over it. And I adore corn salads. I just adore them. So this is going to be for about 3 minutes. We're going to let that boil. And then we're going to throw in the asparagus and let it sit for 1 minute. And we're going to immediately move it to our ice bath, which Teresa set me up right here. So as soon as those turn a bright yellow, they're going into the ice bath. While I'm standing here, y'all, waiting on that 3 minutes, I heard last night that a cohort that I had been on some projects at the same time that she was, Ann Burrell passed away. They found her unresponsive yesterday morning in her bed. And I'm so sorry. She was young. What was she, 53, 54, 55? So I just want to send out our regards to her husband and her stepchildren, I think she survived by, and her family. I was really, really sad to hear that, because I think when TV found me, I was about the same age as she is right now. So I'm sorry, but much love and sympathy goes out to your family, Ann. And Godspeed. All right, 3 minutes. And I had already started taking it out. And now I'm just going to drop our asparagus in for 1 minute, because it does not take much time for asparagus at all. And then we're going to drop those into the ice bath. Okay, that's been about 60 seconds, y'all. I tell you what, I adore, Teresa, I adore a corn salad.
Ooh, yeah.
I know when Kari was here, lived here, I miss her. She made a wonderful corn salad that was just out of this world. Okay, y'all, I wanted to be real thoughtful about the container I was going to put this in, and I decided to use my covered, like a candy dish. Where did I put the lid, Eddie? Am I not looking at it? Oh. I love using things like this for, like mixed fresh fruit or pimento cheese. You know, it just makes it look so good and tasty. So I'm gonna take my asparagus and I'm gonna kind of just slice it just like that at a slant. And this asparagus is beautiful. But the other night, my cousin and his wife cooked dinner for us, and they had bought some fresh asparagus, and the flavor was so good, but they bought 2 different kinds because she wasn't sure. She's not from here and just didn't know, so she got 2 different kinds. And every one that I put on my plate, it was so stalky. And the others. So it really made a difference which bundle you ate out of. I don't know if y'all have ever had that happen, but the flavor was so good. There we go. Now I'm gonna make our dressing to pour over our salad. Did I did I take that up? Okay, I think that was it, right, Eddie? All right, now I'm gonna put my onion. I'm gonna go ahead and put my onion in here. And I have some fresh basil that I'm going to like chiffonade. I don't know why I got a name like that, but you know, you want to roll it up and slice it thin. Now I just sharpened my knife, so I hope it's gonna be sharpened. Oh, that smells so good. You smell it, Eddie? Mm-hmm. Smell-o-vision. I want smell-o-vision. I wonder if I have time to show everybody a trick. All right. You just stand the small end of your corn and by using your bundt pan, you have a ready-made bowl for your corn to fall down in. So like I said, if you're cutting a lot of corn, you might want to try this way. How'd y'all like that little tip? If y'all got tips, please send them in. Because, you know, we all love a good tip. Just to make our life a little bit easier. Okie dokie. I'm going to give my hands a quick wash because actually they're sticky. They're sticky from the sugar that's in that corn because it's some sweet corn. All right, so let's see. I think I can just mix this up right in here. I've got my sugar, my wine vinegar. What vinegar did we decide to use?
Rice wine.
Yeah, rice wine vinegar. So I'm going to mix this up. And pour it over our stuff. All right, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper. And a teaspoon of kosher salt. Want to make sure that sugar gets dissolved in that water. So let's see what we got. You know, now this is one of those salads that you could take it from here and take it anywhere you wanted to take it. Talking about cutting cherry tomatoes in half. They would be beautiful in here. Oh my gosh, what else? Mushrooms. What are some things that you can, water chestnuts. I love the crunch of a water chestnut. How about you, Eddie? What are you thinking?
Red pepper.
Red pepper, yes. What you think, Teresa?
I like the idea of water chestnuts.
I do too. I love the crunch.
You could put some little tomatoes.
That was the first one to go in. Yeah, I would certainly think about adding some cherry tomatoes and then show everybody the way Bobby Deen taught me to get them sliced with like no problem. No time, no problem. Yeah, I would like the idea of something red in here. So that's it. Have a beautiful salad that's going to be good with a whole entire meal or just a ham sandwich. Or just a snack. Oh, I love it so much. You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
It is so good, Teresa.
you can't go wrong in the corner.
Here, get you. Here's a little bowl right here that I think the sugar was in.
This is like eating summer in a bowl.
You know what? This would be good on top of shrimp tacos. Wouldn't that be good? Eddie, sorry to eat in front of you.
Get used to it.
Oh, so good, y'all. Please, please do yourself a favor. Keep you some fresh corn and asparagus salad in your refrigerator. And look how pretty that looks in that jar. That's so pretty. Loving best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.